Welcome to the Spark English Grammar tutorial. Topic 1. Present Simple. Let's begin. Present Simple is the most commonly used verb tense in spoken English. The rule: noun plus base verb. The example: I work. I work. We work. We work. You work. You work. They work. They work. He works. She works. It works. He works. She works. It works. We can add prepositional phrases. Noun plus base verb plus prepositional phrase. I work at the store. I work at the store. We work in the factory. We work in the factory. You work for me. You work for me. They work on a bridge. They work on a bridge. He works over the weekend. She works over the weekend. It works over the weekend. Also, we can add an adverb. Noun plus base verb plus adverb. I work every day. I work every day. We work constantly. We work constantly. You work well. You work well. They work poorly. They work poorly. He works sometimes. She works sometimes. It works sometimes. We use present simple when talking about something that is generally true. So, I work every day. Always true. So, ice feels cold. True at the moment. So, he lives in London. Generally true. I work every day. Always true. Ice feels cold. True at the moment. He lives in London. Let's put it on the timeline. Present simple exists in this blue space. We don't know when it began or when it ends. Now, test yourself. Fill the gaps. Hey, where are you working now? I blank at a bank. And you? What word goes here? Guess now. I work at a bank. And you? I work at a blank too. How is your daughter? What word goes here? Guess now. I work at a bank too. How is your daughter? Good, thanks. She blank constantly. What word goes here? Guess now. Good, thanks. She works constantly. She's working now. Did she finish her studies? No, she blank as well. What word goes here? Guess now. No, she studies as well. OK, well, we'll have to catch up soon. Bye. Definitely. See you.